I grew up skating mini ramps. My dad and I even built a 4-foot mini ramp at his work that we had for about 2 years. I never got super good, but I did learn the fundamentals, which I still have today. And I feel like mini ramp skating and just small transition skating is an aspect that a lot of people neglect, and it just really seems like it's not as popular as it used to be. I think any skater can benefit from just putting a little bit of time and effort into learning the basic tricks on a mini ramp. At the very least, just doing a 50-50 is a lot cooler than jumping off your board when you come up to a quarter pipe. There's nothing impressive about that last line. That was just a bunch of basic setup tricks. I just wanted to show how fun mini ramp skating can be. At the very least, it's a great way to warm up to skate the rest of the skate park.